Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, what fraction of the regular hexagon is shaded? How can we solve this question? How to find the shaded area in this regular hexagon? First we divide the shaded area into two equal parts. Now we know that in every hexagon each angle is equal to 120 degree. If this is 120 degree, this angle is 30 degree. If this is 30 degree, this angle is 60 degree. If this is 60 degree, then this angle is 30 degree. Let the side of this regular hexagon equal to 1, then this length will be also equal to 1. Let this length is equal to h, then we can write tangent 30 degree is equal to h divided by 1. We know that tangent 30 is equal to 1 over square root of 3. So h is equal to square root of 3. So the height of this right angle triangle is 1 over square root of 3. Now we can find the shaded area. The shaded area is equal to 2 times, because it's double, this area and this area. So 2 times half of 1 into h, and h is 1 over square root of 3. So the shaded area is equal to 1 over square root of 3. Now we know that area of hexagon is equal to 3 square root of 3 divided by 2 a square, where a is the side of the hexagon. So here a is 1. So area of the hexagon is equal to 3 square root of 3 divided by 2. Now what fraction of the hexagon is shaded? Shaded area divided by area of the hexagon. Shaded area is equal to 1 over square root of 3, and area of the hexagon is equal to 3 square root of 3 divided by 2. And this is equal to 1 over square root of 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 square root of 3, and this is equal to 2 by 9. So 2 by 9 of the regular hexagon is shaded, and this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.